For those that have been joining me from the very beginning, thank you so much for helping me grow my channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful, wonderful, fantastic spring and summer. I'm so happy you stopped by. I am going to be showing you my Dollar Tree haul, and I'm also going to be cleaning and organizing under my kitchen sink. As you all can see, it is a hot mess. A hot mess. So what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be cleaning and organizing all of this mess that you see over there. So we're going to get it all cleaned up and fresh and looking real good. So I hope y'all stick with me and see how everything turns out. So let's go ahead and get into it. So the first thing I'm going to show you guys is some of the things that I picked out from the Dollar Tree. This stand here, my husband ordered this from Amazon. This is an expandable rack that can fit under your kitchen sink. And if you want to take a look or you're interested in this, the link will be in my description box underneath this video. Again, this is a really nice expandable rack that can go under your kitchen sink. You put all your nice things on there. Help you keep organized, and you won't have this mess that you see that I got going on over here. So here's a few of the things that I picked up from the Dollar Tree. Well, actually, I found these 6 towels from Ollie's. I don't know if y'all have an Ollie's out there, but Ollie's is like a store where a lot of the big department stores have want to get rid of their things, so they sell them to Ollie's, and Ollie's then turn around and sell them to us. There's some nice high-end quality stuff that comes from Ollie's. So this is a 6-pack towel set. I got these hooks from Big Lots. I'll show you guys how I'm going to be using these. This is a Whitmore plastic clips. I'll show you, this is a set of 4, how I'm going to use this. This is a green, nice organized basket from the Dollar Tree. I love the color. I got me a new Love Cooking towel from the Dollar Tree. I thought it was cute. Got another red plastic bin. Got another black tray from the Dollar Tree. And they have this plastic container, an organized container with the top that comes with it. I also found at the Dollar Tree. And this, I can use this for organizing under the kitchen sink things. My Clean gloves by Mr. Clean. You can pick that up at your Dollar Tree store, or you can pick that up at your Dollar General. Help keep your nails nice. Some hanging hooks. I think I got these from, Home Depot. And I also got this pole. It's a spring tension rod. I'll show you how I'm going to use this organizing underneath my kitchen sink. So that's it for the Dollar Tree haul. Just to start off with, we're getting all this mess cleaned up, so let's go ahead and get into it.
Hey y'all, I'm so happy you guys stopped by and joined me today. I've been putting this off for the longest, and I can no longer do it anymore. Like many of you, I'm a working mom trying to organize my home in order to create a more efficient, stress-free life. I want to have less time cleaning and searching for the items that I need to clean my kitchen. The first thing you want to do is pull out everything, empty out everything that is under your kitchen sink. We're going to start from scratch. And we're going to get rid of and toss out anything we are no longer using. And we want to combine things if we can and just make it more efficient. I know. You can't believe how much stuff is coming out underneath this kitchen sink. I can't believe it myself. It is a hot mess. And now y'all see why I need to get to it. I need to get this kitchen sink organized so I don't have to live like this anymore. I just can't wait until everything is out of this sink and everything is looking topsy-turvy. The first thing I'm going to do is use some Dawn Ultra dish detergent with some hot water to wipe down underneath the kitchen sink. I'm also going to use the Method All-Purpose Cleaner. It cuts grease and grime. And we're going to clean all the dirt, stains, and dust. You'll be surprised how much dirt, dust, and stains have collected over the years. And really invest in getting a great sponge. A sponge on one side, and on the other side is a scrubber. This will help you clean and wipe down everything from front to back of underneath your kitchen sink. It will have your sink looking brand spanking new.
All right, you guys. Unfortunately, I couldn't use this shelf because before we bought this shelf, we didn't look to see how far the disposable and the pipe was. I guess my husband and I thought it was further back, and we should have opened up the cabinets, pulled out everything, and looked.
Just push it in, Travis. Screw it in. Make it smaller.
Did you know a tension rod is a great space saver for under your kitchen sink? Isn't this a great way to organize your dish rags and towels? Oh my gosh, I had no idea I had so many dishwasher pods and jet dry. Now they're all going to be organized in my container I found at the Dollar Tree. All in one space. And I'm getting rid of all the boxes too. That was just cluttering underneath my kitchen sink. And my SOS pads, they're all going to have its own container. These organizing bins are a lifesaver. Look how I'm able to organize all of my scented oils. I love burning scented oils. And now they have its own container. Oh my gosh, I found some more dishwasher cleaning pods and a few more bottles of Jet Dry. This is why I needed to clean underneath my kitchen sink. I keep buying the same things over and over again, but I already have it. But I just didn't know it. Before you start loading back all of your stuff back underneath your kitchen sink, toss out what you don't need. Empty bottles, containers, boxes, and combine everything you possibly can. I now have an organizer for my pot and pan gloves and holders. Don't forget to use your kitchen sink doors wisely. Look how I hung my dishwashing gloves using command hooks and rings. Isn't this a clever idea on how to save space? I had to adjust my tension rod a few times before it was able to stay in place. Woohoo! Doesn't it look beautiful? Doesn't it look pretty, y'all?
All right, you guys, this concludes my Dollar Tree haul and my clean with me under my kitchen sink. I hope you enjoyed watching me clean it and organize it. It was a hot mess, y'all, and I just had to get it done. I had to get it done. I have been putting it off for a while. I hope you guys really enjoyed watching and cleaning with me. Check it out. How do you all like it? Does it look nice? Do you enjoy it? I appreciate you guys for stopping by. Don't forget to hit that like, that subscribe, and comment and tell me how you enjoyed it. Look at all of this trash that I got rid of. Hey, you all. Please stay blessed, kind, and connected. I'll see you all next time. Have a great spring and summer. Bye.